Alright, here we go, my friends. As you can see, the prices are still low, but they're somewhat up from where they were. Ether's just killing me down there. Killing me for two reasons. One is I don't really have a lot of liquid funds right now to buy more. And the other thing is it's lower than where I bought it last time. But anyway, Ripple's a little lower. I wouldn't mind buying a bunch at that price. I think Ripple might have potential. I know a lot of you don't like it. It's the bankster coin, blah, 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 but I don't know. I read a lot of things out there that, you know, it could prove useful in the future. But anyway, I'm not really here to talk about any one coin. As you can see, Bitcoin is, instead of closer to 3,000, it's closer to 4,000. So I don't know, maybe all this stuff is starting to level out. The panic is starting to ease up. And, you know, look, fans of cryptocurrency are going to be fans of cryptocurrency. You know, I don't know who was doing all the selling. Maybe it was stop, limit, you know, all these limit, you know, type deals to protect what you have. You know, robot selling. But, you know, you can't lose. Well, look, you don't really lose until you sell lower than where you bought. So if technically, you know, you're operating at a loss, you know, it's just a paper loss. And if you sit tight and it eventually goes back up, and I have confidence they all will, then, you know, I mean, look, I'm kicking myself for not selling it at around maybe like 4. Like for example, Ether was at close to 400. You know, you know, I talk about people selling, blah, 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 but for me, it would have been more a strategic thing. And that's probably what a lot of people did. I could have sold it there and then just waited on the sidelines for this bloodbath to subside, and then bought it back in really, really low and ended up with more. But, you know, I don't have a crystal ball, unfortunately, which is why I'm not a Wall Street guy. I don't really have those instincts. I wish I did. You know, hindsight's 20/20, but you don't know at any one time where it's going. If you don't know what news is coming out, you know, I mean, the China thing, there were hints of this, but a lot of people thought it was FUD. You know, a lot of the Chinese exchanges were like, what? Nobody told us this was happening. And then all of a sudden, you know, it starts to trickle out that, yeah, this really is or might happen. You know, I got to read up more on this. I got to honestly say I don't know. Is China really going to ban cryptocurrency? I don't think so. Everything I've read said, and I'm not really caught up right now, but said that it's going to be more a regulation push. So I guess we'll see. Hopefully I'll have some time to read up on this weekend and see what everybody's saying, okay? But you all can do the same thing. What I'm here to say is, you know, what goes up sometimes comes down, but what comes down eventually goes back up. So, you know, your best bet is if you're not one of these day trader type that can, you know, have the instinct to sell at a peak and then buy back in when it's real. Just hold it. Just hold it long term. Hold it long term, because the long term trend is up. And that way, you know, you most likely won't lose out. Anyway, I appreciate you going over my blog, IP Blog. I got a lot of stuff there. I got ways to make money online. Right now, most of my online money goes back into my affiliate stuff that I do. So you want a blog I can show you how to do a blog, set up a blog. I'm not talking about those free garbage blogs. I'm talking about a real blog, either self-hosted or a hosted solution. So get over to my blog, ipblogging.com. I try to write about some crypto once in a while. The subject does fascinate me, but I primarily talk about, online marketing and alternate ways to make a buck. So over and out.